building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session here. And welcome to the My Funded Futures 2 hours. I'm really excited about being here. Hello, everybody. Very good evening to all of you. How are you, son of Wall Street Mall? J-Dubs, get in there. Chizards, anybody new here? Drift, Tony Gold winning accounts left and right. Crazy here. NASDAQ, I'd short some NASDAQ here. Scalp to short here, 65 up to even. S&Ps, if they get up to the 56 to 62 range. How is everybody tonight? How is OM, the Good, Double L, Alberto? What's going on, everybody? Let's go. Let's go. Good evening, Ravlin. What's up, brother? God bless, man. Let me put these S&Ps up here. All right, let me put these S&Ps up. Let's put these S&Ps, NASDAQ up actually here. All right, hope everybody had a great day. Oh, we killed it today. Oof. Oh, my God. So many great shorts. Let me just show you this to you while I have you here. The NASDAQ futures were negative on the 15, the 30, and the 60. And then when you got the QQQs here, reversing to sell right on the 30-minute time frame, we took this monster short above 418, and right here you can see the drop. The NASDAQ dropped 150. Are you crazy? Did you catch that red torpedo this morning? Yes, we caught it, because look, if you can see here, right, you can see the sell divergences here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. I'm like, what are they going? Look at this. You pushed up to new highs here into these negative MACDs here, right? They go from 723 all the way down to, they dropped $8. Fill the callers. It's COOLAS, by the way. All right. Hope everybody had a great. Okay. All right, everybody had a great day here. All right. Gold. What? Okay. So last night, the NASDAQ was trading 855, 860. And you were always saying, a lot of you were saying 29,900. I said, not happening during the Asia session. My first target was 755. The print low, 725. Never saw 29,900. Gold, everybody was bullish. A lot of people were bullish on gold. Hey, Marzina, Queen of Trades, what's going on? 420, Hiramath, SK Isaac, Balaj, and they're off at Belmont. All right. And, oh my God, what a drop. And then I said gold was trading at 44.95. I said, please, God, please let gold be here when I wake up in the morning. I want to short the hell out of it. And guess what? Gold all the way down, 44.35. Wow. Hey, AD, what's going on? John Richardson, how are you? You got I'm the short king. Love it, baby. Get in there. All right, NASDAQ. I would cancel the short range. Never got up to 65 here. All right. Oh, Jesus. What happened? Hit 65 and then just got cabooshed. Jesus. What happened? Oh, my God. I should have left that in there. Anyway, I got nothing but sell. Wow, oh my goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Baby goat, what the hell's going on? The stream got kabooshed. Uh-oh. Right? The stream is kabooshed. Let me just, Aaron. Oh my God! What a short!
Your call has been forwarded.
What's buffering mean?
At the top.
What's buffering mean? What?
Like voting.
Oh. Yeah, the stream was down.
I can do about it. I already told you I have to get my daughter.
Oh.
So I'll see you when I get.
Mine is still up. All right. If you guys want to switch over to my SK Trading YouTube for now until Aaron fixes it, I would. If you guys all want to go to my SK Trading YouTube, and then you guys can switch back. Yes, I called a short up there, but then I said cancel it. It's back on. Am I back? It's fixed? Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, I hate technology. Jesus. Anyway. All right, hey Marcus, how are you? All right, if they get up to the 65 handle, 60-65 to 90-95, I'd look to short it again. Jesus, what a bear flag. I should have just left it in there. I saw it drop, and then my stream went down, and they shot right up, right? Hey, Bible with the bell. What's going on? Spyro, you left it in, day trader? Yeah, because the stream went down, I just decided let me just cancel it. Are you guys on StreamYard? A lot of people are having issues. I don't know. I'm on YouTube, I think. That's what Aaron put me on here. I don't know what's going on here. It's a jungle. The general. Where's the general? The general. All right. What'd you make on that? About 140?
300.
There you go. What's wrong with that?
No.
The Asia sessions are free, Dresden, and the New York session is a complete trader. It's $4.50 a day. If you can't make $4.50 a day with me, there's a problem. And if you would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I will send you a 5-day free trial. Full name and then your email to my personal cell phone number at 914-500-7484. All right, so here we go. Let's just see what the hell's going on here. All right. Tomorrow we have the CPI number coming out. That should be fun. Big red number. I hope the market gets killed. Hope the market gets kabooshed. All right. So, yes. Okay. Dresden. All right. Baba Trading. What's going on, Baba? Baby Goat. NQ Contract Killer. EL. Dirtbag. What's going on? Deuce Leverage. Jesus, it's gonna be very quiet here. I'm putting together Christmas ornaments, 5-inch ornaments of the bull and the bear with the kaboom and the kaboosh. Gold, I see nothing going on in gold here. We're due for a drop. We went from 27.2 to 30,000, 2,800 points in 5 days. Come on. Right? Right? Come on already. All right, we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. We're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. So, all right. Anybody have any questions here at all? Gonna be super quiet. What's the underlying ETF? The QQQs. So again, when the QQQs reverse to sell on the 30-minute, you short the first bounce on the 15. He doesn't. No, Magnus is not here. No, sir. Queen of Trades. Yes, you should stay awake. Wow. I knew they were short up there. The 60-minute MACDs are too powerful. Unbelievable. Way too powerful. Catch us on what's going on. G. Peralta, AD, Malroy, Thompson, what's going on? JK3, Hemanth, NQ, Raisin. Steven, what's up, Steven? The market is ignoring higher oil prices, higher bond yields. How they're up here is an 8th, 9th, 10th wonder of the world. Okay? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I just hate slow markets, though. Right? I just can't stand slow markets. I think it's because the markets are very overextended here. And I do believe that this is the seasonality of getting these type of pullbacks. That's just my personal opinion. That's just my personal opinion. Yep. But we shall see. We shall see. I think it's healthy for the market too. I think it's healthy. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh, yeah. Hope everybody had a great day here. It was really, hey, Kobop, what's going on, Kobop? I'm just thinking they're going to get kabooshed. Oh, yeah, Mr. Mike, that'd be awesome. Go to Thailand for a month? Oh, my God. My friend has a house right on the water. My main man, Levi. I miss my brother. Yep. We need more volatility. I got to tell you, and a rally into the election? No, I think a rally comes after the election. I think the president's going to win both the House and the Senate. I think the market's going to rip up scream to the upside. Is gold going to get kabooshed? I think gold's going to get a pullback. I'd like to see it retest that 4,000. If the market drops, so will gold. I bought API. I bought AEM below 140, 138, 136. AU on the bottom. I just sold 178. I mean, I rode this whole gold move up, you know. What do I think about Albio? Colorful craft vibes. What's going on? What do I think about the CPI number? Well, you know, they extract food and energy. So unless you eat dirt and ride a horse, Rubio, it's not going to be Rubio. It's going to be Vance Rubio. If anything, I don't think they're going to overstep the vice president. I do like Rubio though. I think Rubio is phenomenal. I think he's well spoken. I think he's very good. With that being said, look at these 60s are gonna roll over. I think the CPI number. Well, I think the game is so rigged. I don't know if they're gonna come up with a super hot number. And if they do, I think the market's going to get killed. And I don't think they want that. Okay? So you may just come in around the same number. Okay? But I don't know. Okay, 5 more likes. Let's go 5 more likes. Yesterday we had almost 600 people watching here last night. Come on, everybody. Call your cousins, ex-girlfriends, ex-wives, somebody. Get in there. Listen, don't get me going, please. I think everything's corrupt. Okay? I think everything's corrupt. Catnip, what's going on? The trader nest, there he is. Or she. Oh my God, go to Thailand for a month? Oh. Beautiful. If this gold gets up to the 37.5, 38, up to 45, I take a scalp short. Let's go. Like the chat. Gold just ran 10. Well, actually ran 7 or 8. Time to leave me. Hello. Hey, Zeph Side. My brother. Let's go. 400 likes. Math. Stoke Marcus, what's going on? Oh boy. I said it today, man. I said nothing's going to happen tonight. You had one shot to short the 65s. Oh, living in Florida? Absolutely. I love it here. I absolutely love it here. You have no idea how much I love it here. And I don't know. Come on, give it a rally here. So last night, there goes the gold. So last night, you all were like, oh, we're going to 29,900. The high was what, 855, 859. And I said after 10 o'clock, look out below. And around 12:30, 1 o'clock, the 30 minutes started to sell off. And kabooshed. 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 Absolutely kabooshed. We're not going to a petrodollar. We're not going to a petrodollar. That is not happening. Look to cover any gold shorts, 33 to 36 here, if you're short. We're not going to no petrodollar. No way. There you go, the blessing. All right, there goes the gold dropping. If you're short at 37s, 38s. All right. It's me, buddy. Hello. Hello. Anybody who lives in Florida here? I know D Hall lives in Florida. I think Albano lives in Florida, right? Who lives in the great state of Florida here? Oh my God. As that gets up to the 60, 65 to 90, 95 even, I'd short it. Who lives in the great state of Florida here? Bear Trader, get in there. Anybody here from the great state of Florida? How are they rallying like this? We won the war. We won the war. Ding. We won the war. MD, great state of New York. Huh? Look to cover below 55 here if you're short. Just scalp it. Destin Wallace. Paul Wallace, give me a call. You should come down. Michael's in Miami. Fort Pierce. Beautiful. We won the war. Powerball, 1 billion. It's 1 billion? Woo! I'm going tonight, baby. Get in there. I'm writing a note. Powerball tonight, baby. Let me get my tickets. Or I forget. Make a note. Ah! Where's this paper for tonight here? Powerball. Here it is. 1 billion. Wow. So if you, what do you win? 500 million? You live in Bali? Oh, can I come to Bali and hang out for 2 weeks? Please. 40th? You better put a 0 next to that one. 400th. Izzy, how are you? Trader A7, Corp Trades. Okay, so here's the question. 433 million in cash. They take 500 and they take 567 million in taxes. Are you crazy? I short the Nasdaq here if it gets up to 68 to 08, 68 to 708. You take that much, 573 million? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Did you know that Chicago, I heard from a friend of mine who was here last week, that Chicago hasn't paid out over $80 million in Powerball or lottery winnings? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I short them here, 65 up to 05, if they get up there. Can you imagine that the state did not pay $500 million in taxes? That's more than 50%. So if you live in Florida, you don't pay state taxes. So I bet you it's probably more than that, right, David? If you, right? I guess, right? Here's 68 on the Nasdaq. Right? I guess you don't pay it, right? If this gold gets up to the 40 handle, 39.5 to 47.5, I take a short. I guess if you live in Florida, that's before taxes. I guess. I don't know. What the hell do I know? Look to cover the Nasdaq anywhere between the 45 and 60 range if you drop here. I'm just dumbfounded how they could take that much. I'm really dumbfounded how they could take that much. Anyway, if you take 433 million and you at 4.70, what are you looking at? 22 million?
Wait, they take over.
Why? 433 times 4.70 on the 10 years, 20 million. I think you could live on that. Taxes only federal. How could the taxes be only federal? That's 50. That's more than 50%.
That's what I'm saying. I think.
So that means you're walking away with 600 million. But that's saying cash option. Come on, last night we had close to 600 people here. Okay, so would you rather take the money over 20 years or take the money? I'll probably take the money right away, though. Because who knows? Who knows if what?
So
Listen, this 24 and 37 is 51%.
oh, you must pay the remaining 37%. Yeah. They're right. They're right. America's paying itself, bro.
Hey, where's this thing going? Why are they rallying? Were they crazy, these people? What's the cover anywhere between the 50 and 55, 65 range here? Can you believe this? Can you believe? You can't trust them because in 20 years they can say, well, we didn't pay you, like just like what they did in Chicago. I take it all in one shot. If you can't live on $433 million after taxes and $20 million on the 10-year bond, 4.70%, something wrong with you. Right? Thank you, Brian. Are you crazy? Oh, if I had 20 million, oh my God, I would get the biggest office. I would get monster. I would get all wall to wall. I spend $250,000, $300,000 on the best screens. I'd see everything. I'd hire 3 people, one for NASDAQ, one for S&Ps, and one for stock, maybe 2 for stocks. 4 people. I'll just trade like an animal all day long. I'll stream, but I'm just trading. Got about the Traders Cafe? I probably still do that. I go buy a building for like, I don't know, 20 million, and I'll just gut the hell out of it. Well, 10 million, gut it out, and I just do the Traders Cafe. Hell yeah, baby. I'll get everybody from around the world to come. How's the NASDAQ just rallied 40 handles? Oh my God. I would just lock the door. I would have 2 security guards on every entrance. What's up 2 times? I agree. You're in a negative trend here on the 15, 30, and 60s right now. So when you made the new low, the MACDs were very bullish on the 15 and 30s. I filled in 12th since 2 a.m. here. Why is NASDAQ? I don't know. I think it's a short, though. Just start dropping here. 20 million. Jesus. Can you imagine? Oh. Look it up. You're correct. After 30% time, you get 2. Out of $1 billion, you get 272 million? No. So $1 billion, you walk away with 279 million? No, I don't think so. Is that right? It can't be.
80%.
Like 80%. That ain't happening. Eddie T, what's going on? Rod trades. Hey, chat, you're overcomplicating things. For no reason. We have the right to fill on the stream. Come on. What is he talking about? What am I missing here? Hey, Jay Emerson, what's going on? David Lane.
Oh, they're saying a billion.
Wait. So, of the billion,
So they call.
but to cover the Nasdaq, 650 to 665. So, of the billion, you come up with 433 million.
Yeah, like you actually went.
Get out of town! What is this about?
Yeah, or you could take that new.
And what do you get a month, a year?
That's over 29.
29 or 20?
Over 30 graduated.
I'll be dead. So here's a question. If I die, do my heirs keep getting it? There you go. Get in there. In Florida, you get 329 million.
Yeah, it does go.
Okay. So what do you get a year on the billion? At 29 years or 30 years? Hey, you're in Lisbon? It's 1 a.m. Trade with Steven. How are you?
So start small and then scale. Your gross annuals.
I'll be in the ground.
That's great.
So in 30 years, I'll be 94. I'll have no teeth. You can short the Nasdaq here again, 675 up to 750, 715. So you're telling me that I could take it and I'll get the whole 1 billion over 30 years.
You still only take.
You get
Right
30.
away.
You get, so if you over 30 years, you get how much?
Yeah.
A week is green. So it starts off small and grows, gets large every year.
Yeah, but it still gets.
Oh my God, they're a bunch of criminals.
Yeah,
Nasdaq just dropped 10 off the 75 print. They're going to get kabooshed here. Here we go. Lower your stops. Gold just short about 40 and a half. 41. 41 to 49 on the gold. Oh my God. Nasdaq just dropped 15. No trades yet. Why? I've been calling shorts. Here we go. 55 just dropped 20. It is a pyramid scheme. You ain't kidding, right? The government. He's right. Bye-bye NASDAQ. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Right. I agree. Gold, I'll be shorting here. I said 40, what did I say? 40 and a half, 41 up to 49. Boy, oh boy, I learned something tonight, man. I learned something tonight. You get absolutely kabooshed if you win. Wow, I never knew that. Oh my God. You get absolutely kabooshed if you win the lottery. Is that crazy? Tax-free in Canada, but jackpot is like 20 to 40 million. Listen, I'm not going to spit away at 239 million, but still. There goes the goal. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 75, 78 to 715, that scalped to short again. S&Ps can't get going. NASDAQ right back up. Gold's going to drop. You got a second payout? Okay, good for you. Hey, Sanchez, how are you? Where did gold run 40 points? When I walked in, gold was trading at 26. It ran 15. Oh boy. Big number, CPI number tomorrow. You got the contract, correct gold? Good job. December, Z, right? Why has the market been so slow? Well, you got the big CPI number tomorrow, and the month of August, you just want to kill yourself. It's just brutal. Nobody. My friend said that he texted an email, sent an email to a bunch of his buddies, and all came out on vacation. You know, that nonsense. I'm away till August 30th. This and that. Bada bink, bada boop. I don't know. You know, need one big move on CPI. That's going to happen. Keith Matthews, congratulations last night. No. NASDAQ?
I think it's still short.
No. Just scalp it. Look to cover anywhere between the 60 and 73 range if you're short. I'm in Seoul. Hey, I am old boy. How are you? Drop. Do something here. Right. Ugh. All right, here we go. Just trade them. It's so freaking slow. Long Nasdaq on the 15 and 30 minute. Are you crazy? I'm not buying them up here. With the 60 and the 15 minute, no way. Nick, come on. I paid you a good compliment today, Nick. Come on. Wow. This is brutal. Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. All right, Nasdaq just dropped 10. Gold can drop. Oh, here goes the Nasdaq dropping. Just dropped 13 on the Nasdaq. Oh my God. Super slow. Day trader, where are you seeing gold run 40 points though? I don't get it. Wow, look at the Nasdaq 15. There it goes. Short Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There you go, Nasdaq. There's 20 points on the Nasdaq. Gold, look to cover gold, 38 to 40 and a half range. Lost now. Telling you, these 60-minute time frames are no joke. You made new highs here in this Asia session into these negative MACDs here. Beautiful. Oh, boy, oh boy. I don't even see 35, 46. When I walked in here at 8 o'clock, it was trading 44.27. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Let's go, everybody. 300 likes. Let's go. Anybody? Nobody? Only a couple people here from the great state of Florida? Look at this NASDAQ. What a drop. So basically, just to teach you something, right? Okay, look at the NASDAQ and look at the S&P right here. See that bar?
Yeah.
NASDAQ made a new high. S&Ps couldn't make a new high. That's a big sell divergence right there. You see that? I saw that right away. So whoever bought 78s on the NASDAQ, he's going to jump soon. Okay? Oh, I all right. Ah. I have to say I live in Jupiter, Florida, and it's pretty damn quiet. I need someone to love and hold. All right. Gold's going to drop. Oh, brother, somebody ring the bell. Oh my God, an hour and 15 minutes to go. I don't even know what the hell to think here. How did you pick Jupiter over the rest of Florida? That's a great question. So my son was about 12, 13 years old. We would come down here in the fall for the big baseball tournaments on his travel team. His team was, I think, ranked either second or third in the country, called the Tri-State Arsenals out of Jersey. And I just got to come down every fall until he was about 15, 16, 17. And I just loved the area then. And I went to go buy 10 condos for $180,000. And the guy wanted to charge me like 15, 18% to manage them. I'm like, I don't need you to manage them. And I'm like, I just buy these myself. I'll just do it for my house. And he just pissed me off. And because of my crazy Armenian temper, now they're worth about 700,000 each. Dummy. So it's very quiet. I live right by the beach. Um, yeah, don't think I'm Florida Everglades, the only place on earth where alligators and crocodiles. I didn't know that. Alligators and crocs. The Florida. Oh wow, look at that, Gary. I never knew that. This gold is short. Yes, I think the gold lows are in for the night though. Never been to Japan. I'm always wanting to go to Japan. My daughter was in Japan for a while. Here goes the gold. Come on. Oh. Somebody ring the bell. Naples is quiet. I haven't had a hurricane since I've been here. Oh my God, what am I doing? I just jinxed myself. Oh my God, I just kabooshed myself. Here goes the gold.
All right, we got 258. Give me the numbers.
258. Let's do number 28.
Peer pressure media.
Peer pressure media.
5124.
The Juice softball. Guy global trades. What's going on? Pierce, Rav Boys, what's going on? Trader 007. The Juice softball. I like that name actually. Edge Engine, what's going on? I don't think he's here. That's terrible. Monkey Secret.
Yep, he's here. Let's go.
Okay. All right. Easy. What do you want? 9 Red Bulls? Let's
No,
do.
I'm doing homework with my 8-year-old.
Oh,
So let's
sorry.
go.
Number 108. 108.
Falca of Elo. I can't pronounce this. I'm just gonna write it in the chat. This is
Fictional
weird
Kara,
name.
how are you? Baba Trades, AD. Oh, he's here. Falco Filho,
Yes.
he's here. One more.
All right. Next.
Next, number 214.
Polymoto.
No way. Polymoto?
Correct.
There you go. Yeah, he's here.
Yep. All right. Back to you.
All right. Congratulations to the 3 winners. All right. 3 winners. Oh my God. Somebody ring the bell. Congratulations, Polymoto. Jessica, how are you? Queen of Trades. Wow, great job, day trader. Are you part of my community? Or you can't? Oh, it's Billy. Okay. Hey, Jessica. How are you, Jessica? God. Come on, here comes the gold dropping. My God, nothing going on. I want to see this. I really want to see this drop here. Oh my God! Somebody ring the bell. Oh, here goes the gold. Here you go, Here you go, Billy. Here you go. Do I think it's going to pick up? Yes, after the CPI. But I don't think we're going to get what you think. I think you're going to start seeing September, October, November, December. Crazy. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. That's what I think. About 2 weeks ago, I spoke. Yes. Let me see. August 1st, I think I spoke to him. I would definitely cover your gold here. Absolutely. How do we do giveaways? Aaron posts a link. Okay. No, he's not. He posts a link. You sign up for it. It's open. You post a link. Okay. And then you sign up, and I just, whenever he tells me to pick numbers, I pick numbers. Gold just dropped.
What?
Gold dropped.
Yeah, I caught it. Actually, it got the bathroom.
It dropped
I'm up,
after.
Yeah, it dropped even more. I see that.
How much?
700.
There you go.
I'm like,
That's $1,100 for the night.
yeah.
What's wrong with that?
No, it's awesome.
I'm telling you, if you could separate the accounts from the New York session, it's golden.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So
I'm just
all
that's
of
just
them by tomorrow.
that's just my opinion.
No, I agree with you 100%.
You can leave it here if you want. Lock that door.
Sure.
Nobody just lock that door. So if you want to leave it, you don't have to keep dragging it. And I'll lock the front door when I leave.
All right, cool.
Of course. All right. Hey, Alex Goat, what's going on? Oh man, look at my life. 24 and so much more. Man, oh man. You like Poland, Johnny? I never been to Poland. Oh wow, what happened to the gold?
Yeah, it just did it crazy.
My God, do something. Yeah. If this gold drops here, You may want to take a scalp long, 31.5 to 38.5. Just scalp the long. Seems like he just wants to. What happened? When I come out there, Billy? Plenty of golf. If you want, I can get you playing maybe Trump or Old Marsh or even MacArthur with my daughter and her fiance. Okay. Hey, Mercier. All right, here we go. A short. Oh, anybody get that long down there? Wow. I don't know if I got the 38.5. Hello, Mercier. How are you, brother? That goal was a nice long there. I don't know if you got. Did you get the long? I don't know if it might have been too fast. You what?
I was getting both.
I knew it was going to go up. That?
You think it'll?
Where you get short?
Man.
Yeah. Nasdaq making new highs here. I can't figure. I'd short the Nasdaq here if it gets up to the 80, 85, up to 15, 615, 8, 715. Sorry. Where'd that come from? Day trader, is that Billy G? Is that you? But more at 46, you got to scale in, right?
Yeah.
Ran 20 on the Nasdaq. Don't get me. Theo, how are you? Press the like buttons. Let's go. Let's see here. My God, is it dead? You and me both want to go to sleep. Oh, there you go. If you short the Nasdaq at 80, just look to cover below 70. You short it?
Yeah.
That was nice, quick. No, no, no. Give it a chance. Nice little short there on the Nasdaq. Just dropped about 15. I know it's bad. You ain't kidding. I think this gold's going to drop. If this gold can drop here. All right, if this Nasdaq gets up to the 685 up to the 715, I take the short gold. Now I'd short it here. 48 up to 55. I think this way short 44. I think you'll be all right. Oh, why? Give it a chance. Why are you being like that? $6 on gold? You scale in. Maybe your average price is 48 now. I'd be short the gold up here. All right, NASDAQ got canceled. The high's 80. Jesus, I said 85. All right, just drop 7.
All right, give me 4 numbers.
Number 137.
Trade with Steven.
Hey, there you go. Get in there. Get in there. NASDAQ just dropped 9. Is he here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do number 13.
Miss K911.
No way. Get in there, Miss K. Get in there. Woo! Miss K, get in there. Woohoo! Oh, she better be here. Come on. Everybody, call. Where is Miss K?
Here, next.
Congratulations, Miss K. Let's do number 203.
Sarah Trades 0728.
There you go. Get in there, Sarah Trades. Woohoo!
All right. I don't see Sarah Trades.
Oh. Miss K, get in there. All right, this NASDAQ just dropped 10. This gold's going to drop. Right. Is not here?
Nope. Next.
Let's do number 31. Number 31.
The juice bag.
No way. Get in there. Juice bag. Get in there.
Yep. Next.
Let's do number 158. 158.
Paktoon Trades.
Paktoon. Paktoon. Wow, look at this NASDAQ just dropped. Jesus. I should have just went 80. Dropped 16. I went 85 like an idiot. All right. No, Paktoon?
Yep. Here.
Oh,
Yep.
it's here. Okay. Wow, this NASDAQ just got kabooshed.
Right back to you.
Okay. Wow, look at this NASDAQ just dropped 20. Anybody short the 80s up there?
Yeah, sure.
Good. What's your average? Dropped down to 47.
Yeah. My NASDAQ account's still.
Oh my God, look at this NASDAQ down almost 30. I told you they're gonna get kabooshed. I told you they're gonna get kabooshed here. Again, you're making new highs, and the S&Ps could not make new highs. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Gold. I think this gold with the 30 and this. I think this gold's going to back right down to 42, 41. Bye bye S&Ps. Sir, no. Need this gold to drop. Yes. I would sell more. A drop. At the 15s, the 30s, and the 60. Oh, this NASDAQ's going to get killed. MACD on the NASDAQ 60-minute. Do we expect a bounce? Bounce. I'm looking for it to get kabooshed. It got overbought into the. They made the new high into the negative. Here goes the gold. See, right? See. What do you mean a bounce? The 60s and the 60s and the overbought. I can't even speak. Got overbought to the negative MACDs. Hey, White Sick. Look at the NASDAQ. 80 down to 45. Just wait till this gold drops. Where's VWAP? Oh man, take a look at your life and I'm not. So Nasdaq printed 80 and the S&P's printed 53.5. Nowhere near a new high. They're finished. Right? Wow, look at the Nasdaq, 35 down. The gold. Look to cover the gold between the 46.5 and the 49.5 range if you're short. Easy peasy. Easy. Wow, look at the Nasdaq, 40 down. See if we're gonna get one more drop. Here they go. Look at the Nasdaq drop 40. This gold's gonna drop here. Okay. That was that beautiful bull flag before on the when it got down to that 38.5 on the gold, just ran about 12. Nasdaq, whoever bought 680, he jumped. Okay. Okay. What are you doing so late? 10 handle Harvey? Hey! 10 handle Harvey! Where have you been, my brother? 10 handle Harvey. of a name from the past. I named him that. The whole week has been brutal. Right back up. Unbelievable, this NASDAQ. I'm right here, Vaughn. Right here. Let's see here. Let's see. I think we're gonna do about 3 or 4 more raffles here. I need this gold to drop at least 5. What is with NASDAQ? I have no idea. Why is it even up? Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid? 29,400. I hope a lot lower than that. Look at the daily on this thing here. This is not a great pattern here. Look at the weekly. This is a big bear flag on the weekly. And you're getting overbought into these negative MACDs. 27,201. This is where I'd like to see him get to, right around here. I'd like to see like a 4,000 point drop. Oh, they'd have a heart attack. I can't even say the word buy. You're in a negative trend here on the 30 and 60, and on the S&Ps on the 30 and 60. So I don't know. I can't say buy. Let's see if it get up there first. I don't know if it's going to get up to 774. You think if we had a drop, the NASDAQ would, the House would lose, the Republicans would lose the House? That's not going to happen after the midterms, I don't think. Very short to gold. Right? Covers them at 48.5. Right? Yep. They're all told, don't you dare sell. There you go. Should have covered some.
Good.
47.5. You just lower your stop. Your average 52. Remember, right? It's 7.5. Remember, what you need to do is always keep track of your average price, right? Because, hey, this gold's dropping here. Billy, get in there, Billy, on the gold. Go.
Got out of them.
6.5.
Yeah.
How are you getting caboosed on paper? I had nothing but 4 shorts on the NASDAQ. How are you getting caboosed? Because nobody wants to do anything. How much you up now? Look at this thing drop. Look at this gold drop, $6 off the high. See, you went in early. I waited, right? I waited for more of the 5 to get overbought.
Yeah.
You went 44. I didn't call 44. I went 48, right? You heard me, right? 48 up to 55. The high was 50, 53, 54. They got caboosed. Trading also is an art of patience, right? I'm talking to like a friend, right?
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, I'm just saying, don't overtrade. You overtraded. I said there was a long, right, at 9 o'clock, below 8.5, 9. It rallied up to 54, ran 15. You got to give it a chance. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars up. Then when it got to the 5th bar, I said, now's the time you can start scaling into shorts. Look at the negative MACD on the 60, right?
Yeah.
That's why I did that. Okay? Right? Get in there, Chizards. Oh my God. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Good Lord. $45. Right? What price NASDAQ? With 29,685.50 on the 30-minute and 29,804.21 on the 60-minute. All right. NASDAQ, gold. I look to buy gold 38 to 46 range. Okay, so the 30 reverse to buy right there, right? Strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5, and I just missed it. Got down to
45.
45?
Yeah.
Good. So you understand the strategy? Okay. The 30 reverse to buy right here.
Yeah.
Correlating with the 15, you went to a buy disconnect. That's a beautiful bull flag. You buy the first pullback on gold on the 5-minute. That's the Picasso. Whoa!
All right.
Yes, sir.
3 more numbers.
Do number 121.
215 AJ.
I don't even know who that is. Are
Yeah,
you
me
kidding
either.
me? 215 AJ. Boom on the gold. 215 AJ, are you here? He's here.
Yep. Next.
Congratulations, 215 AJ. All right. Let's see here. Go 197. Number 197.
Tiger 19.
Tiger 19. I love that name. All right, you could look to buy the gold here again, 38 to 46 if it drops. Tiger 19, get in there. Tiger 19. Tiger. You're welcome, 21 AJ. Tiger. Going once. Come on, I love that name, Tiger. Tiger.
All right, next.
Next, number 20. Number 20.
Melvin 1088.
Oh my God, he won again? Melvin? Oh, Tiger's
there's
here.
Tiger.
All right, just give it to
All
him.
right. Yeah, one sec. What? I don't even remember what number he was. Shoot.
197.
Yeah. Was the other guy?
Melvin.
Yep.
He's
Yep.
Melvin, are you here? He's
Yeah,
here.
he's here.
He's here, my sergeant. Wait. Are you sergeant or are you a general? I call you general. No more?
Listen. I was a sergeant in the Marine Corps.
I know, but I wanted to give you accolades and promote you.
That's not how it works.
It doesn't?
No.
Well, how do you get promoted in the military?
You have to go through all kinds of different things. A selection board. You have to have enough points. Just it's never ending.
Yeah, but the community, what they pick? Sarge? They pick Sarge?
Yeah, they pick sergeant.
All right, you're
All
back
right.
to sergeant.
Now back to you.
All right. I tried to be nice and promote him to general. He gets a better pension, but but I guess he didn't want the better pension. What the heck? Right? What do we know? All right. What is below? Yeah, what is below a sergeant? Right? Where does it go? What's the highest? General, admiral? How does it go? What's the rank? Anybody know the ranks?
General's the highest.
General's what's under a general? Colonel?
It's four. There's 4 stars. So 4-star general, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star, and then colonel.
And where's an admiral?
That's different branch. That's the Navy.
Yeah.
But that's the same thing. They just call their generals different names.
Is there a 4-star general today alive?
Yes. The Commandant of the Marine Corps, the Army's same version, XYZ.
Got it. So there is a 4-star general alive today.
Yeah, you're talking about a 5-star, and they only do that in the heat of a war, and they do that on the battlefield, which only happened twice.
Oh, really? So a 4-star
right, back to you.
general. So the last question. So the 4-star general is the one who reports to the president?
No, each general, there's multiple 4-star generals, and they have different commands that they're in charge of.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, 4-star isn't the highest. It's just
Okay, and one last question. What's
highest.
underneath the sergeant?
corporal.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay. I learn something every day. Remember, play the Powerball and get cabooshed. If you win, 700 million goes bye-bye. Can you believe that? 700 million goes bye-bye. What shorts? This NASDAQ should be 29,000. What is it doing up here? Oh, you got the gold long?
Yeah,
Good.
still long too.
Good. It's gonna go. Look at the
Yeah,
wait till
I
the
think
five.
so
I think it's
too.
gonna go through 50.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, look at the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Thank you, Nathan, Nathaniel. All right, look here. Rapid accounts 50% off. Pro Builder, 2 users per code. There it goes. There you go, Billy. There you go. Told you it was a beautiful long, right? Beautiful long. Oh my God. NASDAQ, kaboom. I short this NASDAQ again up here, 80, 85, up to 7, 15, 20. What are they, crazy? Why are they rallying up here like this? Now you can look to short the gold above the 53.5 to 60.5 range. NASDAQ hit 80 again, third time, 1, 2, 3 times. Kaboom! That was a nice long. Gold just ran $8 on that long, peoples. If the NASDAQ's dropping in here, just look to cover below 71.5. Or lower your stops. This gold's a short. Again, you're making the new highs on the, see, the 60s. No. Look at the gold. Look at the NASDAQ. Hit 80 again. That's 4 times it hit 80 tonight.
Yeah.
It's dropped 13. All right.
'Cause I'm
Well, you want to wait. I don't think it's going higher than 54, 50. You got the 30s overbought, the 60s overbought. You're getting overbought into the negative MACD on the 60. No. I shorted up here. Let's see here on the gold. 53 up to 53.5 up to the 70.5 range. What a rally on the gold. Just ran 11. Wow. Billy, you got that long, Billy? On the long? Told you. All right. All right, this NASDAQ is again above the 80.85 up to the 715.20. I'd short it. You're making new highs, non-confirmations on the 60. The S&Ps can't make new highs. This gold, I think, is going to drop here again. Look at this NASDAQ new highs. Are you crazy? Where are they going? All right, NASDAQ here. Look, here we go. Look to cover 65 to 75 if you're short. Just drop 10 here. My God, is it dead? You're going forward to short the world. Hey, DJ Danny girl, how you doing? All right, again, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Thank you. What a monster bear flag on the weekly. See a 30,000 tomorrow? I don't know about that. You think 1,400 points up from here on a CPI number? MACD's negative on the 1530. On what? On what? Gold? NASDAQ dropping here. Again, look to cover 65.75. Oh my God, what a cabooshin! There you go. That's the way to end the night. There you go. Okay? Beyond limit boundaries. There you go. Get in there, DJ Danny girl. There you go. There you go. Not bad. 80.85. I said just dropped about 14, 18. 681. 680 had to be at least 3 or 4 times. Tonight was boring, Jeff. I want to kill myself. So tired. 10 minutes. Kaboosh. Oh, this you know, it's just horrible when these red numbers come out at 8:30 and the next day you just, so basically you're making new highs there at 83 and the S&P is nowhere near came to making new highs. You see that?
Yeah.
It's getting late. If this gold can get down to the 51 and a half, 50 and a half, 54 range, I'd look to cover shorts. Getting late. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. I mean, S&P's just dropped $1.50. You think it's like moving a glacier? That's why I think the NASDAQ's so much better than the S&P's during the Asia session. You ain't kidding. The S&Ps are dead tonight, Nick. Oh. No, 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 I can't take it no more. I'm tired of waking up on the floor. OM, what's going on? Hey, Muda. Mudu, how are you? There you go. Here comes in, come on, gold. Sergeant Aaron. You in the gold short?
Yeah.
Your average. Don't let it get above that. Right?
Okay.
It's getting late. Because 6 minutes, I'm getting the hell out of here.
Yeah, I closed.
I'm just saying. You're going to get 54. Probably get 53.20. 54.
Yeah, you got it.
It takes 54 out. I can go right down to 53.20 and 70. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Double L. CRWV. Oh, wait, what happened with this one? CRWV. What did this thing do? Hope down. Oh, my God. Core weave. Really? See, look, see, 53 and a half.
Yeah.
%15 move up. What the hell's going on here? Oh, look at the NASDAQ. Look at this NASDAQ, 83 to 55. Kaboosh! Where's the bear? Anton, have a good night, brother. All right. 4 minutes to go. Ah! Oh, my God. NASDAQ prints 53, it'd be down 30. Well, tonight was a very, 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 very slow night, I have to say. But, you know, you were able to get 4 or 5 great. I didn't call one long on the NASDAQ. Not one. Can't call a long in a negative trend like that when I saw no divergences. Powerball Wednesday, 1 billion. 1 billion. You get screwed out of 700 million if you win. Purgatory Park. You should text me 914-500-7484. And anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and your email separately to my personal cell phone number 914-500-7484, and I will send you out a free week to my Discord Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. Okay? All right? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at the NASDAQ. Oof. 35 down. I said, no, I don't. What? Gonna roll over. So what you want to do with gold, just to be, if anybody is still up, you wait for the 15-minute oversold on gold and then you buy it. Right? The 30 is reversed to buy, so you buy the next. That was right here. So the 30 reversed to buy, you buy the first pullback right here on the 5. The second pullback you buy on the 15. That's how the strategy works. Mivida Dolce, thank you. Thank you. All right. Good night, everybody. Let's see here. 2 minutes to go. Remember, tomorrow CPI, let the dust settle, right? I don't think you're allowed to trade red numbers, right? On a number like that with the prop world. Ray, I don't think you're allowed. Step tracks. OM, Adam, thank you. Mavid Dolce, have we spoken? Bear Baba Trading, get in there. Igor, Adam, Linda NQ, JL, Nick, Rod Trades, David, thank you, Corp Trades. All right, 1 minute to go. Now, I think this is a first. Now, one long on the NASDAQ, 5 or 6 shorts, right? That's how I looked at it, based upon the reading, what I saw. Now I think this gold's going to get killed. Remember last night, 855, 860, boom, right down to 725 last night. Kabooshed. All right. All right, Jennifer, I hope you had a great night, everybody. I want to say thank you to Matt, to Aaron, of course. There you go. And again, I want to thank all of you for being here. Remember, I'll be here tomorrow night from 8 to 10. Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30 on My Fund the Futures TV, and also Thursday night. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Have a great night. Be safe, and I'll see you in the morning. Be well.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral.